Hi everyone. My name is Shubham, and we are going to start with the solutions of cracking the coding interview in C++. So I was just browsing through YouTube searching for a solution. I didn't get it. So I thought as I go through this book, I make the solution myself and post on YouTube. So let us start with the question number 1.1 of chapter 1, arrays and string. So I'll read out the first question, then we'll jump onto the solution. Is unique. It is the name of the question. Implement an algorithm to determine if a string has all unique characters. What if you cannot use additional data structures? So the question basically is if you are given a string of unique characters, we have to tell if it is unique in fact. So how do we do this? So the first approach which may come into mind of many of us is like take one element and compare it to the rest of them. So that is the brute force method. So if you see if there are n elements and you are taking one element and comparing it to n minus 1 and doing this for all the n elements, the time complexity would be n square, right? So the goal of this question is to solve this question in time complexity n log n. So how do we do this? First, we sort this array by using the sort function from STL. So the STL sort function takes n log n time. So I think all of you must be familiar with this function. Then we define n, which is the size of the string. Then we run a for loop. This for loop is run for I, which is less than n minus 1. And how does this work actually? So when we have a sorted array, and if there are same elements, if there are same elements, they would be consecutive, right? In the sorted array. So here we just put a if statement. That if the consecutive elements are same, return true. So in the question it's given that we have to return false if every element is distinct. Okay. So here, now why did I take n minus 1? Suppose this was n here. So the last iteration would be I equals to n minus 1, right? Because this is less than 7. So here it would work n minus 1 nums, which would be the last element, but here it won't because it would be nums n which doesn't exist. So yeah, that's why we take n minus 1 here. And if none of the consecutive elements are same, we would come out of this for loop and return false. So this works. So the sort function takes n log n time and the for loop takes n time. So the time complexity of the whole algorithm would be n log n because it is greater than, right? So yeah, this is the solution.